Welcome to Groundwork Foundations. Today we honor Innergize Day, a gentle reminder to pause, replenish, and realign with balance as the seasons shift. This meditation will help you release what feels heavy, restore your inner energy, and reconnect with your natural rhythm. Take a comfortable position, sitting upright with ease or lying down with support beneath you. Close your eyes softly and allow your body to settle. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment. And exhale gently through your mouth. Again, inhale calm. Hold. Exhale tension. One more time. Inhale fully. Hold. And release completely. Notice your body. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your weight. Let yourself sink into it, giving yourself permission to rest. Now bring awareness to your breath. With each inhale, imagine drawing in fresh energy like sunlight filling your body. With each exhale, imagine releasing anything stale or heavy, like leaves falling from a tree. As you breathe, picture yourself standing at the edge of a quiet forest in autumn. The air is crisp yet gentle. The colors around you glow with golden light, reds, oranges, yellows. You feel grounded, supported, and safe. With every breath, imagine this golden light streaming into your body, restoring, nourishing, energizing you. It fills your chest, flows down your arms, into your hands. It warms your belly, softens your legs, reaches your feet. Your whole body is glowing in gentle, healing light. Now, silently repeat to yourself, I release what no longer serves me. I welcome balance and renewal. I honor my body's rhythm. Stay with these words for a few breaths, letting them become part of your inner rhythm. When you're ready, begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Notice the sounds around you, the feeling of your breath, the support beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly, gently, open your eyes. Take a final breath in gratitude for this moment of pause, for your energy restored, and for the care you've given yourself today. You are ready to step back into your day with clarity, balance, and renewed energy.